In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. So if you have a lot of friends and you want to remove them, here's what you need to do. You need to first open up your Instagram. Once you open up your Instagram, click on the top left, and then you want to see your friend list, and then these are all of my friends, and I can just long hold onto that friend, click on manage friendship, and then remove friend, and then I will do the same for each and every friend I want to remove, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.